There
Okay,
you
she
are.
wants to get down.
Okay, are you done? Want to play in the snow? Okay, here we go. Ah, look at the snow. There you go.
Can't swing in the snow.
Can't swing in the snow. I'm gonna snag these right now and put them back in the chicken coop. I forgot this one down here. And I'm always walking by and it's dark. I never see them. Here we go. Oh, excuse me, Sigrid.
Ah! Gary!
Sorry, I didn't mean to get you like that. I thought she'd enjoy a snowfall.
Puh. Here, let me take the snow off your face. There. Want a daddy hug?
Can't swing in the snow, baby. You can ride on a sled. Whee! Hi. Let's go ride in the sled. Okay, you want to ride in the sled again?
My hands are freezing.
Oh, shoot, these-
No, no, no.
No, I don't really need them.
No, no. They're very dirty.
These gloves?
Yes. Bless you.
Ready?
Bless
Sit in
you,
the sled?
Sigrid.
Here we go. Here we go. Ready? Set. Go!